Hello, my dear students. Today we will be learning a new concept called shapes. We heard about shapes, isn't it? What is shape? A shape of an object tells us that what it exactly looks like. The size of a particular object decides the shape of an object. So then, what is side? The line segment that joins two points in a shape is called side. Then what is corner? A place or a point where two sides meet is called a corner. Look at the pictures. What do you see in the pictures? X, a mobile phone, a round shaped clock, a part of a pizza, and a photo frame. Are they look same in shape? No. All pictures all look different in shape. Some looks like round and some are like flat. Yes or no? Yes. Each picture is different in shape. So today we are going to learn about different basic shapes. Are you curious? 5 different basic shapes, namely circle, square, triangle, oval and rectangle. Now in detail discuss about the circle shape. Now what is circle or circle shape? A circle is a shape which has no sides and no corners. And we know that a side is a line segment which joins two points of a shape, and corner is a point where two sides meet. Children, now look at the clock. How it looks? It looks round in shape because it is not made up of any straight lines. As we know that a circle has no sides and no corners, this clock has neither a side nor a corner. Thus, this clock represents circle shape. Few more examples for circle shape. Children, look at the picture. Circles can represent the sun, the moon, the earth, any planet, a ball, an orange, a ring or band, a smiley face, buttons and many more. So children, now you are able to identify the circle shape and you are able to draw it. Shall we move to the next shape? Yes, here we have shape. What is square shape? A square is a shape which has 4 equal sides and 4 corners. Children, now look at the picture. We can see there are 4 sides and 4 corners in the picture. And all the 4 sides look same in length. If you measure by using scale or ruler, we can see all 4 sides are of same length. Thus, this photo frame represents square shape. Some more examples for square shape. You can see in the picture 4 equal sided clock, a face of a dice, rubrics, and many more. So now we are able to identify the square shape and we are able to draw it. Choose the shape that matches this object. Children, there is a ball in the picture. And the answer is circle. Option A. Today in the class we have learnt meaning of shapes, sides and corners. Different types of shapes. Detailed discussion of circle with examples and square with examples. We meet in the next class, students. Thank you.